Hello everybody, my name is Irossi and welcome back to Nowhere Railways. This time it's going to be a Christmas update I've ever seen. Holy heck, I'm looking forward to this one. Wow. I'm really excited for this one and, because why not? And, I'm really hyped because the update is out. Looking forward to it and, So, I need to get these and the limited time missions, the wind up merchant, and leave snowman behind. Alright then, let's do it, and let's get this started. Anyway, let's go! And there's top of the hat. Let's see here. Let's see here, sorry about that, just some dog barking, or I don't know. Just let me, let's see here, Alright, so the toy shop here in Knapford is waiting for their order from the toy factory for some exciting new toy trains. Will you please bring them? Which will be me, of course. Alright, see, fill these wagons with the wonderful toys. Alright, so I need to get them at the toy store. Wait, I need to... Actually, wait, no. I need to get an engine for this. Actually, wait. I think I know where it is. Alright, so, just need to get one. But hey, Dustin! Let's see here. Look at this. There's like orange Dustin and yellow Dustin. How many versions of Dustin are going to be there? Ah, yeah. Dustin! Awesome. Oh, wait, Wait, where's the enter? Wait, how do I get in? Oh, there we go. I wasn't sure, but I thought I would. Here we go. Nice. Alright, so I need to follow this track. Alright, let me, Wow, like, look at Dustin. I do remember, like, 2 years ago, I think, that Dustin appeared. Oh, no. Okay, back up. Oh, right. Alright, so I know what to do. Just follow the map. Wow, so excited for Christmas. Only like 5 days. Dang, we hyped. Like, you know what I mean? I mean, like, that's something. Alright, let's see here. Alright, 10,000 shillings. Alright, so the arrow's going... Alright, wait, we don't need to turn? Oh, yeah, wait. Actually, wait, I'm not sure if I'm definitely able to turn. I thought... Well, I guess I might take this way. Wait, whoa. Okay, I did not know that, but let me go back. Let me go back for just 1 second. Wait. There we go. Alright, so I feel like this is the way, like, in Knapford Yards, I'd say. Yeah, that's the one. Alright, alright, so it says 3 wagons. Yeah, I'm surprised I actually excited about this update already. Like, you know, I was saying that I was excited for the update, but I'm hyped. No, it's already out. Oh, sorry, that just got like a zero sugar peach tea drink from 7-Eleven. Alright, so let me see if this... Alright, so the arrow is turning to... Yeah, wait, I think this is it, or... Okay, wait. I'm not sure if the arrows... Alright, so I got Percy, and now... Actually, wait, not the Percy, but you know, I got the gifts. And now, put it all for onward to Netflix. Yeah, sorry if it took so long, or, you know. Alright then, and let's go give this guy a little spin. Oh wait, just need to put the graphs. Make it there on time. Come on. Let me... Yes, Percy. Come on, Percy. Go. Alright guys, we're back and we're almost there at Knapford Station, of course. And let me, let's see where the liver goes. Let's see here. Almost there. Almost there. Come on. Almost. There. Get it. Come on. Come on. Sorry, it's just barking again. Oh, right. And of course, there's a duck. Of course, why not? Yes! Awesome! Alright, now, let's give it a test. And there we go, guys. The showcase of Clockwork Percy. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? Like, this model of the Clockwork Percy was insane, though, really. And it was extremely awesome, and I actually loved it. And you can also see the name, if I can zoom in. I'd say it's pretty good. Check this out. The pistons... I mean, the wheel cylinders are pretty incredible, and I kind of love it. It's pretty awesome. And for the... Actually, wait. I think I need to put, like, the face up, and kind of change face. It's pretty cool. I like seeing things here. Alright, guys, here we go. So we recently got the one and only Clockwork Percy, and we did the mission. Anyways, guys, that was it. And, of course, I'm putting it right there. You know, that was it. I'm just... You know, really glad it's been, like, really hyped. There's almost, like, 5 days left till Christmas. Hopefully I get something extremely cool and something great for the future of 2025, 2026, and I don't know, any other future I might add. But I'm really excited for it. Anyway, guys, this is Diagrossi signing off, and hope you guys like this gaming video, and can't wait to show you for the next gaming video, where it might be on 21st, but on the Christmas Eve, I'll be reacting to Tobias and the Arcade Merchant. Like, subscribe with a like, and don't forget to keep it rigid.